In this presentation, I'd like to talk to you about planning and sketching a floor plan. In this presentation, we're going to talk about three types of sketching: bubble diagrams, rough or quick sketches, and detailed sketches. So let's start by talking about bubble diagrams. Let's just say you want to design a small one-story home for a single person. How do you get started? Maybe you would want to start with locating or sketching the living room around which all the other rooms or parts of the house would be attached to. Then maybe you want to add a front porch. That would be nice. And then maybe you want to include or locate where you would want to place the master bedroom. And of course, it would be a good idea to locate a bathroom near this master bedroom. And then maybe you want to include a closet that is connected to the bathroom and the bedroom. And then you would want to locate where you would want to have a kitchen and a dining area. This is an example of what a bubble diagram looks like. It's a freehand sketch that helps you as a designer to determine the general locations and relationships of the various rooms of the design. So we would take bubble diagrams and then convert them into what we call rough or quick sketches to show the layout of the rooms. The walls may appear as stick figure or single line. Windows, doors, and room sizes might be included. You just really want to start giving some thought to where you want to locate these items. They can change. So in this step or this stage of sketching, if you locate some windows on one part of the wall, on the next step, when you do detailed sketches, you could obviously move those windows around. You can move the doors around. The room sizes might change, but you at least want to start giving some thought to where you would want to put some of these items and the sizes of these rooms. Sometimes just thinking about the general layout of the furniture is important for you and the client to get a good idea of the layout of the rooms. This is an example of a rough sketch. Notice the single line walls, the general location of windows and doors. Room names have been provided. The room sizes have been provided. And some of these rooms actually have a general layout of furniture. A detailed sketch will allow the designer and the client to have a better idea of the relative relationships among the various rooms of the home and the space available in those rooms for fixtures and furniture. Walls will be double lined as they would appear on a traditional floor plan. Windows, doors, and room sizes should be included. Furniture layouts are also considered very important at this point of the design. Once rough sketches have been created, the designer will then create detailed sketches and then transfer their ideas from those detailed sketches into 3D CAD drawings. This is an example of a detailed sketch. Notice the doubled line walls, the location of windows and doors. Room names have been provided. The room sizes have been provided. One thing that is not on this detailed sketch that you may want to consider doing is locating or having a general layout of furniture within those rooms.